Okay, next I want to talk about the basics of the type tool. Type tool is very similar to the other Adobes. However, you got a lot more options in InDesign. So I'm going to select that. Okay, I've got the options for the type tool up here in my option palette. If you've got your properties palette open, you'll have them over here. All right, with the type tool, what you want to do is drag out a type frame. So I'm going to click and I'm going to pull out a type frame. And then I can go ahead and type in there. I could copy and paste type in there that's maybe out of a Word document. Once I've got the text in there, I can select it and I can come up here and I can pick a typeface. Okay. Go ahead and pick this one. I can select it. I can come up to the option bar. I can change the color. Okay. I can expand or contract this frame. I can click on any of these little squares here. Try that again. Okay, and it'll actually contract the frame to the height of the text. I could add another frame by clicking and pulling. You can, again, put whole sentences in here, paragraphs, copy and paste text from somewhere else. You can also put kind of dummy lorem ipsum type in here for layout purposes by going type, fill with placeholder text, and you get a lot more text. Once the text is in there, again, you can select over it and you can change your options for the type. Maybe I'll use Arial Black. Now, because I changed the typeface, my type no longer fits in this text frame. And the reason I know that, even though it's lorem ipsum, is because I get this little icon here, this little red box. This is telling me I've got hidden text, which means I have to expand this box until that little box disappears, that red box. Expand it this way. Once it's selected, I can again select the type. I could change the font, the type size, the space in between the lines with this icon up here. Okay, and you've got some other options we'll talk about another time. At this point, you could also change the alignment by using the alignment tools. All right, that's kind of just the basics of the type tool. We'll definitely talk about the type tool more going forward.